Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has at least 20% battery and Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Open the French Connection Companion app or the required app in your app store, then accept necessary permissions so pairing can proceed. On the watch, power it on and navigate to the Bluetooth or pairing menu. This is the first actionable step that pushes you into discovery mode. Once both are ready, keep them within 1 meter so signals remain strong. Now you move into the detailed connection steps. In the app or phone Bluetooth list, select the French Connection watch name when it appears. You'll usually see a short PIN on both screens. You must confirm the matching code to authenticate, so check both displays and tap Confirm on the phone and the watch. Make sure the app requests and receives permissions for notifications, contacts, and location because these enable call alerts and sync. Without them, features will be limited, so allow them when prompted. To finish, sync your preferred settings, health data, notification preferences, and do not disturb schedules inside the companion app so the watch behaves the way you expect. Once done, the app should show a connected status and immediate syncing. Test by sending a notification or starting an activity. If it fails, restart phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth, and attempt pairing again. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone or perform a watch factory reset as a last resort. This clears conflicts and usually resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.